Hey everyone, welcome back to the Life of Amy June. It is officially the week before Christmas, and as magical as this season is, it can also feel overwhelming really fast. So today I'm walking you through my full weekly reset routine, the exact system I use every single week to stay organized while running multiple businesses, planning for the holidays, and still finding time to breathe. This routine is simple, realistic, and something you can totally adopt today to make your week feel lighter. So grab your planner or a notebook, your favorite drink, and let's jump right in. Before I plan anything, I brain dump. I do this every single week because when you're juggling work, home, kids, holidays, your brain is just holding on to way too much. So for this week, before Christmas, I'm writing down any important dates, and then I'm gonna go ahead and break things down like I do every single week. However, I am going to add a little bit of a holiday twist to it because I still need to note down holiday reminders, gifts I need to wrap, some meal ideas to make Christmas week easy, family events, and just anything else that's floating around inside my head that may be stealing my focus. Generally, I organize everything as I go, but you don't have to. You can literally just write everything down on a page and then organize it when you do your weekly plan. I just like to have everything broken down into categories, broken up by my businesses so that I can easily see everything that's going on in each category. But once everything is out, then I move into planning. Now the fun part. I turn my brain dump into an actual plan. I go into my weekly spread and I start plugging in any date-specific tasks first. Appointments on specific days, client meetings on specific days and at certain times, school pickup, school drop-off, school events, holiday events, any deadlines that have to take place and are time sensitive. And because this week is leading into Christmas, I also add in a specific time chunk or part of a day for wrapping up any gifts, any last minute decorating, any grocery shopping that needs to take place, any house prep, any cleaning that needs to happen. Once all the time specific things are in, then I look back at my brain dump and start categorizing everything else. I ask myself this question: what actually needs to happen this week and what can wait? Just because something is on your brain dump doesn't mean it belongs on your weekly calendar. This is how we avoid overwhelm. After my weekly plan is all set up, I then set up my daily pages for the week. I don't fill out the full to-do list yet or my time block. I simply lay the foundation. I add the day of the week, the date, any time-sensitive task, which would generally be school drop-off and pickup, but it is holiday break, any meetings, any reminders tied to a specific day. This makes the rest of the week feel structured, even before I start filling in all the details. Each night, usually after work and before bed, I come back to my planner and write my to-do list for the next day. Here's how I break it down. Quick tasks are tasks under 15 minutes. Emails, messages, uploading any content, ordering something online. Tasks are anything under 1 hour, which is client work, editing, recording, any admin tasks, and then projects, which are over 1 hour. Bigger focuses that require a larger chunk of time and more concentration. This breakdown keeps me realistic about my energy and prevents me from loading my day with 5 big projects and expecting superhuman results. In the morning, I finalize my plan for the day because things always pop up. Emails, messages, last minute tasks, especially during the holidays. So instead of choosing my top 3 the night before, I choose them the morning of. My top 3 consists of 1 quick task, 1 regular task, and 1 project. We don't want to overload ourselves with 3 projects in one day or 3 quick tasks, which would leave us feeling not accomplished for the day. And then I also choose my main priority. The one thing that if I get it done, I can call it a win for the day. This method works because it forces you to move the needle without getting overwhelmed. Once I choose my top 3, I time block them into my day. Time blocking helps me stay on track, avoid multitasking, see exactly where my time is actually going, and to protect my focus. Here's a few examples. 9 to 9:30 a.m. could be a quick task. 10 to 11, work task. 11 to 1, project. And I always leave some buffer room. Afternoon, I always tend to do admin and tasks that are easier on the brain when you may start to get tired. Time blocking is not about perfection. It's about direction. And especially the week before Christmas, it keeps me from bouncing around in 15 different directions and ending the day feeling like I got nothing done. So that's my weekly reset routine, the exact system I consistently use to keep all the moving pieces of work and life feeling manageable, even during the busiest time of year. Brain dump, weekly plan, daily pages, night before to-do list, top 3 method, main priority, time blocking. If you follow this, you will feel a huge difference in your stress levels, especially going into Christmas week. Thank you so much for planning with me today. If you want free printables, you can grab them over at my website at lifeofamyjune.com. I'll have them linked below as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you again for being here, and I will see you in my next video real soon. Bye.